If you're tired of searching for quick and easy dinner ideas that are budget-friendly yet full of flavor, why not giving these turkey Alfredo ramen burritos a try? They offer a delicious twist on the traditional turkey sandwich, and with the holidays right around the corner, you'll be looking for scrumptious ideas for using up that leftover turkey. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now I've got one small onion here. We're going to slice up and chop it. Half a medium onion if that's what you have. And just set those aside and we'll slice up the turkey next. And you'll need about a cup of cubed or shredded turkey. I did both here. And of course, depending on the size of your tortilla, just how much you're going to be able to stuff those. I just have small tortillas on hand here, so I'm only going to require a cup of turkey. Next time, I will buy the giant gordita shells and really get some good size burritos out of those. And I'm just looking these over. The bigger chunks I'm slicing, smaller pieces I'm just throwing right in the bowl. In a large skillet over low to medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. And this is the start of the Alfredo sauce. Turn your burner down between low and medium. And that's just about ready. So to this, add the onion. And let those cook, stirring occasionally for about 2 minutes or until they start to turn translucent. Bring a pot of water to a boil and place 2 bricks of ramen noodle in the boiling water. Now those cook quickly, so keep an eye on those. Don't add the seasoning packets yet. Flip over after just a minute and turn off the heat. Now remove those from the heat after just 30 seconds with whatever utensil you can find to do that easily, if it's possible. Place those in a strainer, but don't rinse them. Into your skillet with the onions, add 1 heaping tablespoon of crushed garlic. And give it a good stir. And add just 1 of your seasoning packets from those ramen noodles. 1 cup of grated Parmesan, and to that add 1½ cups of whole milk. Turn your heat back up to medium. Stir until well incorporated. Preheat your oven to 400. Let that cook for another minute or two. And when the cheese is good and melted, add your turkey and the ramen noodles and gently stir all that until it's well incorporated. Just cook that for a minute more, just until the turkey and the noodles are heated thoroughly and the sauce has a chance to stick to every one of those noodles. Pepper to taste. And gently stir in that pepper. Remove that skillet from the heat and let's assemble those burritos. And get your tortillas ready. I only have small tortillas on hand, and this casserole dish will hold about 6. So 6 burritos is what I'll make. In using the smaller tortillas, there will be some left over. Begin placing your mixture into the center of each tortilla. Not too much, as we still got to roll those up tightly and get those in the casserole dish. And you'll need about a cup of cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack here. Place a good sized pinch along the noodle mixture. Roll that tortilla gently but firmly over that mixture, tucking that and gently placing in the casserole dish, seam side down. If you lose any cheese or mixture, just toss it on the top. Continue like so, remembering to roll each tortilla tightly. And top that off with as much cheese as you like. And over the top of that, I'm going to place some cheddar cheese. Place that in the oven and we'll let that bake about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. And watch these videos next.